If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip.
The question we're working on today is, find the maximum and minimum values of f equals x plus 2y subject to x plus y is greater than or equal to 4, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 8, and y is less than or equal to 4.
Smash that like button and let's get started.
So let's take all of our inequalities and get y by itself. This will make it easy to graph. So x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. We could rewrite that as y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 4. Similarly, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 8. We could rewrite as y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 8. And then our last inequality, y is less than or equal to 4, well, we already have y by itself. So now let's sketch what these, we'll start with the lines, what the lines look like, and then we'll shade in the appropriate regions. Okay, so here are the the 3 lines. This red line corresponds to y equals 4. The blue line is y equals negative 2x plus 8. And the black line is y equals negative x plus 4. All right, so now we need a test value to see where do we shade. Okay, so let's just use the origin. And so, is it true that 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 4? No, it's not. Okay, so we shade above the black line. We shade above y equals negative x plus 4. Is it true that 2 times 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 8? Yes, it is. So we shade below the blue line. And is it true that 0 is less than or equal to 4? It is. So we shade below the red line as well. You could see this region that I'm shading here is our feasible region with 3 corners. And we know that our function is maximized and minimized on these corners. We got to find the equation of the corners. So let's find where the red line intersects the black line. So we solve that system of equations. We get the point 0, 4. Now let's solve for when the blue line, y equals negative 2x plus 8, intersects the red line. Well, that's negative 2x equals negative 4, or x equals 2. So that's the point 2, 4. So that's our second corner. And now the last corner is when the blue line intersects the black line. So negative x plus 4 is equal to negative 2x plus 8. Bring the x's to the left and the constants to the right. We get x equals 4. Substitute that into either side and we get y equals 0. So we get the point 4, 0. So those are our 3 corners. Now we want to evaluate the function at each of the corners and figure out what's the maximum value and what's the minimum value. Again, our function here was f equals x plus 2y. So when we evaluate at the point 0, 4, that's 0 plus 2 times 4, which is 8. All right, now we'll go on to the next corner. F of 2, 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 times 4, which is 10. And then last, f of 4, 0, our last corner, is 4 plus 2 times 0. Which is 4. And now we just look. 10 is the max, so that's the maximum value of f. 4 is the minimum, so it's the minimum value of f.
Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Weselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.